They say the moon has something magical, and today I'm going to show you how you can bring a little piece of that magic into your home. This is the rotating moonlight alarm clock, a lamp that not only decorates but also transforms the atmosphere of any space. Show it off now with a clear and elegant display, and it comes with several buttons that control all its functions. From the light tones and effects to the dual alarm and snooze option. Its light offers 10 lighting effects and 3 adjustable night modes. It cycles through soft and relaxing tones like blue, lilac, and green to create a calm and restful atmosphere. It records in color transition mode. Look at how it has a subtle glow from the lunar globe. On top of that, it features 15 alarm tones and 10 natural sounds like birdsong, ocean waves, rain, or a music box. With its modern design, rotating light, and relaxing effects, this alarm clock is much more than just a clock. It's a whole experience of calm, rest, and style. Look how elegant it is. And it's not just for a living room, your bedroom, or your study. It's perfect for any moment when you need to relax a little. This alarm clock brings you calm and relaxation. Wake up with light, sleep peacefully with the moon by your side, and enjoy this wonderful lamp.